Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the banded wide grip pull-up. So another one of our pull-up drills. Pull-ups are tough, so you got to have lots of different variations. In this particular one, we're going banded and we're going wide. So obviously, the thinner the band, the more difficult. So choose a band thickness that's going to give you the appropriate amount of challenge based off the rep range. So for wide grip, if this is normal, where we're just outside, where the pinky's outside the shoulder, try to make it to where your thumb is outside your shoulder, so really wide. Anytime you do pull-ups, palms are down. Always be aware of your glutes in your ribcage position or hollow body. So if I say get hollow, that means snap into this position where your toes are out in front, glutes are tight, ribs are down, and then from there, you're going to do your actual pull-up. The stronger you get into the actual hollow body position where you're constantly having your ribs and your glutes tight, that's going to make you stronger than everything else. So you get in the habit of doing that in all your movements, everything will get stronger. And notice with the wide grip pull up, it's almost like my elbows are going out. So I'm pinning my shoulders down. Get a lot more lat engagement, make your lats really strong. That's the banded wide grip pull up. Get out.